Hey guys! Oh my god, I'm so close. Today we are doing a video on the Cold Fusion extensions. So prior to the sectioning, you are going to need to shampoo the hair at least twice with the Purifier shampoo. It is the pre-extension treatment and it does not contain paraben, nickel, SLES or SLS or dyes. So you want to give a good 2 shampoos with this. Rinse it out thoroughly. Do not condition. Just go right in with the extensions after. You want to make sure you have the little clamper tool, which I have right here. This is what is literally going to make the extension stay in the hair. So you're clamping it. And then we have the ColdHair extensions. So what you're going to do is pull these little cold cap things off. We don't want them. You're going to pull those off. Piece is going to be open. You're going to section the hair, get a little piece, make sure there's no pieces from above or beneath. You're going to make sure that you have good feeling in here. You're giving it a nice tension. You want to push it down on the hair. And then you're going to clamp it down. So.cap hair extensions can provide you with longer, thicker, healthier looking hair without the problems associated with other types of extensions. You can choose the length that you want, the color, the texture, create the perfect and unique, most natural look. So.cap uses natural hair in 91 colors and 3 textures, straight, wavy, and curly. We're using the straight ones today. I like to use the straight because it's easier just to straighten it out, and then it's also easy if you want to just put a curl in it, it will hold a curl. Since this is not a heat application, it allows the extension to be bonded closer to the scalp and makes it way more invisible, for lack of a better word. You can't really see it once it's in. Once the hair is on top of it, you really can't see it. The Cold Fusion is preferred for bonding extensions for colored or chemically treated hair. It's just less aggressive, and again, you can get closer to the scalp. For proper at-home care, you want to wash your hair gently. You want to dry it thoroughly before going to bed, and you want to comb it with a wide tooth comb or a pick from the ends to the scalp. Don't color, perm, or use any other chemicals without first consulting your hair extension specialist to avoid damage. I would recommend getting your hair colored first, then we shampoo, and then we do the extensions. If you get chlorine in your hair, immediately wash it out and use conditioner when you wash your hair, but you don't have to put it on the little spots on top. Just mainly focus the conditioner on the ends of your hair just to take good care of the extensions and not loosen the... Use a keratin-based attacher. Extensions can last up to 6 months with proper aftercare, guys. So make sure that you use them properly. And again, it can get you through all the events in your wedding or whatever special occasion you have going on in your life, or if you just want a little bit more pizzazz. Chemo, alopecia, anything that is causing you hair loss, a weight loss surgery, anything if you want just to thicken your hair, make your hair feel fuller. This is it, ladies and gentlemen.